It's here for me, Mamuni Akwaba, about Melodies TV. So, and right, your breaking news stream will say, say, a branch be, Becca se papa be, na was standing, Ascend North. When you have 44 votes, and Nipakra will win yellow, and you have 389 votes. Now, answer na Sadia Nebesino. What the bicycles, a command delegates, Senanka delegates no entomano. After you, when you have 44 votes, no, they yet say, and you guys heard from eyewitnesses and no more. Almost say, Papa no the macho men eba ho. Eba JJ bicycles now. Yesterday I played the video and you guys saw it. In Kofobebre, they were just laughing. Now this particular matter has come to light on social media. I've seen a lot of people comment on that matter. Now, in a way, no, at long run, no, a party bako ena essay womudin a MPP because a womo aspirant and as I didn't see me who say based on that particular thing and so no NDC for a press conference a boss so say now adiana glaringly clear say vote buying any year because any vote buying na won fa bicycle lenko Emma wulusu ye no wo say wo kwaje wade and we all saw it live na ayasa no baby asem no akwakodu no ama impanyifo a ewo MPP mu nso ababonten ya bekasa ewo asem no so. Na General Secretary of the MPP, John Buedu, Ekasaye, ewo Atinka FM, Andre ya. Na ensema wakaino, me paraphrase atrewana se me quote no, ensema wade etuja, se wakasa wotwi mo nanso yabe translate na yaye no brofo. Na mwate ensema wade tuja. Na asema waka ne tintini ni tietia ne se. Sa branch ya na efe no Mr. Amankwa Blay, wokodi se ejuma ne se wokwa akwaje ne bicycle. Every delegate ni hono sa branch no wonim de eyema na won fa bicycle no enko biom otherwise a branch no wonya na adwen say ye cancel na fi MPP mu he will be cancelled from the MPP ye be yi ni din every MPP mu nti officially ye ma won contest biom so wonim de ya won fa bike no Enkonkoma delegate Nibium. That is what the General Secretary of the MPP, John Buedu, is saying. Now, Asamoah Wakan was say he wants to be exited from the party. Munti in the first statement, no. Or say he wants to be exited from the party. Next time, he can't even apply and even attempt to contest in an internal election. But see, nobody forced him. And say, one for bicycle number. But you see, the MPP executives, no, they are, I think that they are all towing one lane. But sure, more, as someone more air can say, oh, wait, it doesn't amount to vote buying. It doesn't amount to vote buying. It's just a gift. It's just a gift. That's what they are saying. But me know, if you want to qualify it as a gift, me assure say, NDC for neya. MPP will not qualify it as a gift. And likewise, vice versa, it goes to NDC. NDC for a year home press conference, kasa. Omonso time, omuyebi. And some people in the NDC came out to also say it is a gift. It's these two political parties. Akwa koye say, Endra, quotes be me from one of the top journalists of Ghana has a CTFM, Bernard Avle. I say when the right is in power, things go left. When the left is in power, things don't go right. A very deep statement in Omeki here. I say when the right is in power, things go left. When the left is in power, things don't go right. That's why I say in Grofu Tui, se bako ewa power dia, enyama nina ekose, bako nso ewa power, enyama nina ekose, nini no enye. Se bako wa power dia, wo ye, ube hune se opposition be hune se, oh, we die. Ye say, opposition be bashin no be defended. Ma no a wo defending nsunko opposition. Now opposition na no bashin nso embe the same thing. Ube say they will change sides. Ghana, that is what our politics has become. Inti washa Asamoah, General Secretary of the MPP Okan, was say a gift. I say nobody forced him to give or to gift bicycles. Was he expecting everybody to vote for him because of the bicycles? What's a branch? Now what the bicycle our mind open in teacher say no what per se will be a woman the bicycle be a one to mano. And there's a side and Ghana has in Nanka election. Nanka say it is not called democracy as a more can and then rightfully so. As someone MPP General Secretary can I cre. Nanka sani ye no. Say will be our beji will be bia and a beto abamawa. It's here for. Nanka say uncle my way mu nanka yen friendly democracy. Nanka those who will be in power are people who have money. Or financiers will go and finance people and make sure. Nanka election. Send young crofo be here. When we to talk as a man crofo. If it is actually guaranteed. Say woman gifter. Just like what the MPP General Secretary is qualifying it. If it's actually guaranteed, say woman say gift no. Na when you vote. If it's guaranteed that way, yeah. Nanka power will always belong to the rich. And nanka the rich will always be in power. Like the rich will always be supporting people. Because when him say you're mad, yeah, automatically you better amaye. Until someone MPP General Secretary work, I agree with him. This particular line, I agree with him. I said, doesn't it mean if next time someone shares cars, he must be voted for, just like the example I gave? My main first line I said, was he expecting everybody to vote for him because of the bicycles? Doesn't it mean if next time someone shares cars, he must be voted for? And it is indeed true. I said, that is not democracy. 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 I said, he should return the bicycles, else he has sacked himself from the party. Was it one for bicycle name quote? Now, same way, a best say, imagine, so what the macho men any before the bicycle ye. Nanka, what he same way was so back say welcome. Now, papa, he has made his intentions even known. I am not sure, said the constituency people will even vote for him when he comes back next 4 years. Because one, a C say no. A C say no. So what back next 4 years a beshan crofo team say abrantie no de bike buy ya yanto amano awoje yi. Yeah, oba won fi yen. Clearly that's the intention you've painted for people. Akwakoye say embra MPP, this same MPP a year primaries. That time now more to once say mama what say MPP primaries no more than 2 times. The first time was that na coronavirus enya emba saye. Now the omodi kan and said the orphan constituencies and our motto first. You can't orphan constituencies are MPP constituencies now. And ya womo and our we need that particular place no. You say in the current parliament dispensation. One say NDC 4 seats no. One say still MPP 4 a contestee our election in. Into those places are MPP 4 NDC 4 net team or parliament no. And no any MPP 4 never friend no orphan constituencies. Into ende and now MPP 4 dia wo moye na nsia so no eno your constituencies are wo mo so ewini wo ho nti NDC 4 so be frɛ eno wo mo orphan constituencies MPP 4 edi nkan eto aba wo orphan constituencies no na obeka ya embra wo mo di kan to aba wo orphan constituencies no eno so sa wo bi e the cars sa Kia Picanto ni sa Uber cars no just wo no pu de wo di kosi bebi aye to aba no. Well, Luzu ya no sesane cars at the koye. I brought you that story. If you guys remember very well, if you've been following me for that long, you remember that story. It's one in a yadema Mr. Amankwa Blay, and they said, "So one far bike now ko bioma wasaki ni when fi party nim." I am not sure Mr. Amankwa Blay the bike ni be ko biom because me sure so not in ho ase. Say I move where I make move where I ye or no asake ne ho or not in ho ase say no. I am no longer going to be a candidate, an aspirant. Or see, he should return the bicycles. Or see, the party will not recognize him anymore. He is done with the party. Hey, easy. General Secretary, and say because assembly the Nimgwasia crab bromo. Or see, he is done with the party. We can't encourage such uncalled behavior in our party. Warning. John Buedu wadiaba no. It's here for easy. Na nini name no Me pese mo tre mo adwen e comment box ni mo. A lot of people have actually shared their thought on this particular action. Because I know na sisi a air trend with social media and the likes. But ni nim no mo de mo tre mo adwen e comment box ni mo. And the latest on this particular story, the Bebremo, it's here for yedase.